Hello, Macy. I'm here today to show you some resources that will help you each week as you start your semester. The first resource that we're going to talk about is the weekly Week at a Glance email that will be sent to your inbox every Monday morning. This is a great resource because it provides you with an overview of everything that's happening on campus and opportunities. You're going to log into your HCC inbox, hopefully every day, but definitely every Monday morning. You're going to find an email that looks like this. It has today's date, and it says Week at a Glance. When you open it, you'll find an email that basically has this format and layout every week. You'll see at the top there's some quick links to some basic resources, frequently used resources. Those are great, but what's more interesting is everything that falls beneath that. So first we have announcements. Just to show you a few things coming up right now, we have an opportunity for you to refresh your technology skills. You don't want to feel nervous about the first day and you want a little overview. Some students are available to coach you one-on-one with an appointment by clicking this link here. And they'll go over questions you have or particular apps that you have trouble with. There's something new here called Near Peer, and it's an app that helps connect you with other HCC students who have the same interests as you. It would be great if some of you were willing to try this out and share back how it's working out for you. We have the HCC mobile app, brand new, and there's some information here about where to find it, how to download it. Again, all of these things, I would love to hear your experience with using these services and apps. If you scroll down, we have a section called Engagement, and there's opportunities for trainings and social events. So there's an assistive tech training opportunity every Monday and Friday. You click on the link to schedule an appointment, and somebody from our Assistive Tech Center will work with you one-on-one. There is movie night, coffee and chat, an invitation to view the virtual graduation. It was delayed this year, and so we could join by watching a Facebook watch party. There's a virtual tour of the Cincinnati Zoo and Pictionary. Again, you don't have to let anybody on your team know that you're doing these things. You can just register and enjoy all of these opportunities at any time, even before classes start. The only thing you need to know is when you register for anything, you have to use your HCC email address to access it. Student weekly workouts. There's the total body toning and go with the flow yoga. The most important part of this email I want to talk with you about is the Connect Day workshops. This is really important because, first of all, we've never done it before, but secondly, we're going to use that as part of our orientation this year. So what you see is a sample of some of the topics and links where you can register. These are not all of the topics that are going to be available. It's 2 days of different workshops, and you can try to partner up with some students you know, or you can talk with your transition coordinator and decide which ones to take. I can take some of them with you. We can buddy up, but this is definitely a cool new opportunity to take advantage of. So again, this is an overview. Click on this link here when you open this email and look at the descriptions. We'll talk about this more over the coming weeks, And as always, I'm here if you have any questions or if you want to walk through any of this together, just send me an email. All right, everybody, have a great week.